Hello? Yeah? Okay. I'll tell my partner. Okay, talk to you soon.
Hello?
Sophia, we have a case. Meet me in the LC in 5.
Okay, I'll be there. Okay, what's the case? Okay, so.
Casey, I'm hungry. Did you order the food yet?
Shh, you don't know who's around.
Oh yeah, you're right. Wish you were somewhere safer. Now this is a more secret spot.
Delivery, please? Yes. Large pizza, half cheese, half pepperoni, and garlic knots.
Oh, and lava cakes.
And lava cakes. And can you deliver that to the back of Mellors High School, like the gym entrance or something? Just not the front. As long as you call me, let me know where you're at, but like, don't go to the front. Alright, thank you.
Do you smell that?
Yeah, is that what I think it is?
I think so.
Is that a large pizza, half cheese, half pepperoni, garlic knots, and
Lava cakes.
you know it's about to go down?
It's the only way.
Hello, this is Spy Kid 324679. The Dominoes order is on the way and moving fast.
Let me see where the pizza is. Oh my god, it's almost here. Let me call Shay. Shay, the pizza's almost here. Meet me at the door, ASAP.
I think the pizza's here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We'll be taking that.
This looks good.
But we paid for that. You can't take it.
Not anymore, but next time, can you get Chinese food?